future of CAR-T, there are probably several aspects. I mean, we already see how the field is broadening the applications. So we have started with the authorized products directed against various types of lymphomas. That is extending to more types of lymphomas where CD19 is the target antigen. And we had recently the market authorization for first CAR T-cell product that is used in multiple myeloma, targeting BCMA as antigen. And of course, there is many more in the hundreds of clinical trials going on worldwide where other entities, other indications, and other antigens are being targeted with the CAR T-cell approach. That's, of course, one future, more indications and more types of CAR T-cells. The other is what I talked about just before, that the manufacturing process will change in future. Many efforts are ongoing to make it easier, less costly, and thereby making it available to more and more patient groups. That will also be an important question in the near future already. I mean, that was also a topic heavily discussed at the recent EBMT conference, that currently we have the CAR T-cells in third-line treatment for the patient. That means they first have their standard medication when they are diagnosed with lymphomas, and only if these don't work, you go to second and then third-line treatment with the CAR T-cells. And there's currently now ongoing reports from clinical trials where CAR T-cells are in second-line treatment. So that could be also a future development offering CAR T-cell therapy earlier to tumor patients, and will be exciting to see how that performs. And of course, as I said before, the other indications, other tumor types, that is an important future development.